Day 22, meditation for openness.
Hey guys, this is Faith Hunter and welcome to day 22 of our 30-day meditation challenge on Do You Yoga. Today's meditation is about openness. And so we are going to open our arms wide and receive all the gifts the universe has to provide. So come into a comfortable seat. Make sure you grab a blanket, a pillow, or block, or sit wherever it's most comfortable for you. Make sure you have some space though. You can open those arms nice and wide, right? And without touching or hitting anything to the right or to the left of you. So sit up nice and tall. You can keep your eyes opened or closed on this. It's totally cool. As you breathe in, you're going to take the arms, open them out nice and wide. You're going to lift your chest up, lean back a little bit. And then as you exhale, you're going to wrap your arms around yourself and hug and drop your chin into your chest. You're going to inhale, open the arms wide, lift your chin, lift your chest. Exhale, cross the other arm over and give yourself a hug. Inhale, open up. Exhale, round and hug it out. A few more like that. Breathing in, opening and expanding. Exhale, round and hug it out. Inhale, lift. Find your own pace and your own rhythm as you exhale, round and hug. And you keep switching the arms that cross in front. So switching from right to left as you hug it out. Inhale, open. Exhale, hug. A few more, breathing in. Exhale, hug. This meditation is great to do while you're outside, because sometimes when you do it outside, you can feel that sun across your face. Inhale, open up. Exhale, round. A few more, breathing in. Exhale. Just follow your breath and just feel yourself expanding and opening with each inhalation. Inhale, open it up to receive. And then as you exhale, allow yourself to experience all those joyous gifts. Breathing in. Exhale, round. Exhale. Two more. Inhale, open. Exhale, round. Inhale, open. And exhale, round. And then you're going to inhale, open the arms wide. The arms are going to extend out and the palms are going to face up. You're going to roll those shoulders back and down. So it may start to become a little difficult here, but you have the power, you have the strength to do that because you're really riding this space, right? Riding on this space of openness. Relax the shoulders, palms facing up towards the ceiling. Be with your breath. Lift, feel your arms expand. Feel this sense of freedom and openness. This true place of joyous bliss. Moments and times in our lives when we feel like one door is closing, things look bleak. All we have to do is step forward, move forward, and allow ourselves to be open. And open that door. Take the next step. Trust. Trust that the universe will provide and give you all that you need and all that you deserve. However, you have to be ready and willing to receive. breath, lift the arms over your head. Interlace your fingers over your head. Turn the palms facing up. Breathing in, stretch and lift your chest. Open up a little bit more here. And then exhale, release the arms down towards your knees. Breathe in through your nose. Exhale out of your mouth. Bring the palms together. Rub them, create a little heat. Place the palms over your eyes, breathing in. And as you exhale, the hands will fall and the eyes will open. Thank you so much, guys, for joining me here. Maintain that space of openness and freedom, and I will see you on tomorrow.